Hello and welcome friends. If you are new to this channel, then please subscribe. This is chapter 3, a short comic story. So have you ever read a comic book? A comic book contains stories told mainly through pictures. Gopal and the Hilsa fish. It was the season for Hilsa fish. Fisherman could think of nothing but Hilsa fish. So Hilsa fish season is there and everyone is talking about and thinking about Hilsa fish. Fishmongers sold nothing but Hilsa fish. Come by, the price of Hilsa is down today. So the fisherman is like selling the fish, Hilsa fish, and he is saying that price is down. Come and buy it. Householders could talk of nothing but Hilsa fish. How much did you pay for that Hilsa? So everyone is talking about Hilsa fish, and everyone they are trying to find out how much is the price, current price going on, and where they can get a better option for the buy or the cheaper rate for the Hilsa fish. You would not believe if I told you. He is saying you. So he want to purchase, and he is saying the price is very low. So and in the palace, to the courtiers. In the palace to the courtiers could discuss nothing but Hilsa fish. So in the palace also, the people there, the courtiers were talking about. So in the palace also, people were talking about Hilsa fish. Your Majesty, you should have seen the huge Hilsa I caught it was. Your Majesty, you should have seen the huge Hilsa I caught it was. So he started saying in front of the king that he has caught a very huge Hilsa. Stop it! King got angry. Are you a courtier or a fisherman? The king said, oh, you are a courtier, you should not talk about fish, because he is not a fisherman, he is a courtier. So he will have some self-respect, he will not talk about fish. The courtier fell silent and downcast eyes. The king felt guilty. But when the courtier regret that, okay, and he felt very sad when king scolded him. So he was sad, standing there with eyes down. So then the king said, I am sorry, I lost my temper. Now the king is saying, okay, I am sorry, I lost my temper. It is a season for Hilsa fish. So now it is a time and season for Hilsa fish. So everyone might be talking about Hilsa fish. So not a problem. So he lost his temper, so he scolded him, but soon after that he regretted and he said, I am sorry, I lost my temper. It is the season for Hilsa fish, and no one, not even Gopal, can stop anyone from talking about Hilsa fish, and not even Gopal can stop anyone from talking about Hilsa fish. Not even for 5 minutes, and not even for 5 minutes. Okay, if people will start speaking about Hilsa fish, can go at least for 5 minutes. Oh, I think I could, Your Majesty. Then Gopal accepted the challenge. He said that he can do that for at least for 5 minutes no one can talk about Hilsa fish. Then let me see you buy a huge Hilsa and bring it to the palace without anyone asking you about it. So he said, okay, then let me see. You go and buy a Hilsa or get a huge Hilsa and bring it to palace, and no one should inquire about that fish with you, and no one should talk about that fish with you. So he said, okay, I accept the challenge. I accept the challenge, Your Majesty. He accepted the challenge. He said, okay, I will get a huge Hilsa and I will bring it to palace, and no one will ask me about that Hilsa fish. Okay, so he accepted the challenge. Few days later, why is your face half shaven? He shaved half. I am dressing up to buy a fish. So he was dressing up to buy a fish. And what's the matter with you? Are you smearing yourself with ash? So he is putting ash on his beard, half shaved beard. So I told you I am dressing up to buy a Hilsa fish, but his only aim was to buy the Hilsa fish. For that he was dressing up. Listen to me please, you can't possibly go out in those disgraceful rags. What are you up to? So his wife is telling him, no, don't go, you are not looking good, you cannot go like this. disgraceful rags on your face. So clean yourself. She wanted him to clean himself before going out and dress up properly. How many times must I tell you, woman, I am out to buy a huge Hilsa fish. But he was thinking only about to buy the Hilsa fish, and he went out. It is happened to him, he has gone mad. She is thinking that, okay, what has happened to him? Is he going mad or something like that? Why he is doing like that? She could not understand actually. Gopal bought the Hilsa fish and started walking towards the palace. So Gopal bought one Hilsa fish and started walking towards the palace. Mother, look at that man, isn't he comical? And everyone is not talking about Hilsa fish. Everyone is looking at his funny actions and funny dress ups. Okay, so everyone is talking about his comical nature. He must be a madman. Hush, I think he is a mystic. So everyone is giving a different kind of name. So when Gopal reached the court, and when he reached the court, what do you want? The gatekeeper is asking, what do you want? I want to see the king. Gopal said, I want to see the king. You can't see the king, get away with you. So gatekeeper stopped him there itself at the gate. Gopal began to dance and sing loudly, and Gopal began to dance and sing loudly. Inside the palace, the man is crazy, throw him out at once. I want to see the king, let me in. So gatekeeper was saying he is mad and let us throw him out of the palace. From the gate also they wanted to move him out from the gate also. I want to see the king, but Gopal was thinking that he was saying he want to meet the king. Bring that man to me at once. And king heard his voice, so king ordered the gatekeeper to bring that man to him. Yes, your majesty. Gatekeeper said, okay, he will let him in. So Gopal was brought before the king. It's Gopal. People recognize that he is Gopal. The man has lost his mind. Other courtiers are thinking that he has lost his mind. I think it's one of his crazy jokes. And one person is saying, I think he is cracking some jokes. So all right, Gopal, out of it, why are you dressed up in the ridiculous fashion? The king finally asked, why are you dressed up in such a ridiculous fashion? Your majesty, you seem to have forgotten something. He is saying, you seem to have forgotten something. He is saying to the king, forgotten something? He is surprised. What I forgotten? So he is thinking like that. Strangely enough, no one seems to be interested in Hilsa fish today. Now Gopal is saying, no one seems to be interested in Hilsa fish today. From the market to the palace and in the court, not a soul has spoken a word about Hilsa fish. So he has proved that he brought the Hilsa fish and in his hand, and no one talked about it in the season of Hilsa fish, where everyone was talking about Hilsa fish everywhere. Okay. Only then did the king remember the challenge he had thrown to Gopal. Then king remembered the challenge and he started laughing. Ha ha! Well, Gopal, congratulations, you have achieved the impossible once again. So Gopal achieved the impossible once again. So this was the story about the Gopal and Hilsa fish.